Welcome back to the Auto Dynamics, where we explore the boldest, the baddest, and the most unique machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into something that's not just a motorhome, it's an adventure beast. Meet the 2026 MAN IceConqueror 6x6 camper motorhome. And trust me, this one's built to crush snow, rock, sand, and everything in between. The name says it all, IceConqueror. This isn't your average camper. It's a purpose-built expedition vehicle riding on a MAN 6x6 truck platform, engineered to dominate extreme environments, from frozen tundras to arid deserts. With a military-grade chassis, off-road suspension, and a 6-wheel drive system, this machine is more than capable of going where no regular RV would even dream of. Under the hood, the IceConqueror packs a 12.4-liter MAN D26 turbo diesel engine that cranks out a monstrous 540 horsepower and over 2,500 nanometers of torque. That's enough power to haul its heavy-duty camper setup and still push through mud, snow, or steep inclines with ease. And thanks to its multi-mode transmission and differential locks on all axles, traction is never an issue whether you're scaling ice cliffs or maneuvering through tight forest trails. On the outside, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Think armored vehicle meets luxury lodge. You've got rugged composite body panels, military-grade lighting, a snorkel for deep water crossings, and a massive winch up front. The vehicle sits on giant 20-inch beadlock wheels wrapped in off-road tires that look more like they belong on a monster truck. But step inside, and the story changes. Comfort and functionality take over. The cabin is a smart blend of survival and luxury. Heated floors, a fully insulated shell, and triple glazed windows keep you warm even when the mercury drops below -40 degrees Celsius. There's a full-size bed, a compact but fully functional kitchen, a high-efficiency wood stove, and even a rainwater harvesting system. Oh, and did I mention the integrated drone launch bay and a solar panel roof setup that keeps you powered off-grid tech-wise? It's fully loaded. Satellite communication, a full onboard computer for diagnostics and terrain monitoring, GPS-guided route plotting, and even a built-in drone surveillance system to scout trails before you roll in. It's a mobile command center, ready for the apocalypse or just your next epic expedition. Now, let's talk numbers. The IceConqueror is not cheap, expected to start around 800,000 depending on configuration. But this isn't about luxury for the sake of it. It's about unstoppable functionality wrapped in ultra-premium execution. Whether you're a professional explorer, documentary filmmaker, or just someone who refuses to be tied down by normal roads, this is your ride. So is the 2026 MAN IceConqueror 6x6 camper motorhome overkill? Absolutely. And that's exactly why it's awesome. It's not for everyone. It's for those who want to redefine what a journey looks like. That's it for today's review on the Auto Dynamics. If you're as fascinated by machines that push limits as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments where would you take the IceConqueror first. Until next time, keep your wheels wild and your adventures wilder.